So once again, a very big congratulations to Priscilla Ojo, daughter of beautiful Nollywood actress Iyabo Ojo, who just got married to her heartthrob, a Tanzanian musician. About this time last week on the internet, everyone was like, oh, congratulating them and all of that. And now to the Tappers Association and the critics, because this country, when you have people who are happy, you also have those who criticize. Yes, in plenty. So come closer, everyone, no one is excluded. Men and women, boys and girls, come closer. Let's talk about one or two things that we should learn from Iyabo Ojo in particular. If you're a woman, what you should learn from Iyabo Ojo, and if you're a man, what you should tell that sister around you, what you should tell that female friend, that auntie, that person, that woman around you, what you should tell her to learn from Iyabo Ojo. Yes, in case you did not learn anything, people learned a lot. I learned a lot, and I'm here to share with you one or two things that I learned from that woman, one or two things that I learned from that event. Number one, Iyabo Ojo is a very good woman. Did you see how she allowed that man to come in and play his fatherly role? Let me tell you why I say that she's a good woman. If you've listened to that woman's interviews, you would hear when she said a couple of things. A significant one being that on her wedding night, the husband told her that he does not love her, that he's only married to her because of the pregnancy. It may take a woman a long time to forget that kind of statement. It's a very, very hurtful statement. Yes, it's a very hurtful statement. That statement alone would have made her not to allow the man into the life of the children. That's what most women do. The way they react to such issues, they get angry in such a way that they now use the children against the man. They would feel that the only way to pay this man back is to make him not to have access to the children. That's what most people do. But this woman did not do that. She ensured that she does not bring the children in to whatever issues she had with the man. In one of her interviews, she said the man had access to come visit them anytime he wanted to. So it means the man was 100% present in the life of the children. So if you can, don't use your children against a man. Solve your issues with the man and leave the children out of it. Most especially when she made her money, she is good, she's comfortable. Most women would have said, what do I need a man for? I have the money, I can do it. But she did not. She's a good woman. We give it to her. Number two, she worked really hard and gave the children a good life. She did not wait for the man. She didn't wait for the man's upkeep money. She did not use the children as a tool to extort money from the man. She did not. She worked hard and gave the children a good life. How many women do that in a world of baby mamas today? Don't look at me like that. You know what I'm talking about. Number three, this is the one I love the most. Despite her wealth, despite the fact that she was doing so well for herself, she still disciplined her children. Yes, she is a disciplinarian to the core. She did not over pamper the children. Have you seen some children of rich parents? The way they over pamper them, they grow up becoming nuisance, becoming rebels. Look at the two children. She did a good job. She still instilled so much discipline in them that when you see them, you'll be asking who raised this one. Like, everyone saw it. You know, everyone saw it, from Priscilla to Festus the son. We have all seen that she did an amazing job. She is a prototype to be emulated. Let's give it to her. She tried. I hope you learned that. Number four, the Oga Pata Pata. She sacrificed so much for the children. She did not jump into marriage. She did not jump pium 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 pium. Some women, after first marriage, they will not even put in so much work. They won't even, what am I saying so much work? They won't even put in any work to ensure that the children, or even if it's one child, that child is trained to an extent before they can jump to another marriage. But this is a woman who sacrificed marriage. She would have jumped into another marriage, but look at how she stayed and took care of the children. We all understand what some children face when there is divorce. When there is divorce, the father jumps to another woman, gets married. The mother jumps to another man, gets married, and the children are in between. Even though they may not really abandon the children, but you would agree with me that the relationship between those children and the parents is not going to be as it would have been if the parents were together. The children will just be here, mother with another husband, father with another. Look at the children here trying to fend for themselves, physically, mentally, financially, and otherwise. They'll be struggling. But this wasn't the case with Iyabo Ojo. She sacrificed for the children. Learn that too. It's a very good thing to sacrifice for your children. Sacrifice, put in the work, give them quality education. When you give them quality in everything, you can now expect quality from them when they grow up, like what Priscilla gave to the mother. It's a thing of joy to any parent, you know, to have such a child who brings so much joy to the family, and all that you can only have if you as a parent did a good job. If you did not do a good job, please don't expect good in return. We live in a society where parents expect so much from children where they didn't give even quarter of what they are expecting. I hope we've learned all these things. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next video.